Hello everyone. If you are looking for a technique to win in the queen versus rook endgame leader position, you are in the right location. Let's get started. Okay, if the winning side manages to reach this position, then he will always win without mattering which side to move. If it's not his turn to move, he will win it even quicker. And if it's his turn, he has to complete triangulation. So let me teach you how to complete the triangulation process here. Look at this position very closely. All we want is to reach this same position again, but it should be black to move. It will take a couple of moves, but they are easy. Don't worry, I will teach you. We start with queen e5 check. If black plays king c8, queen d8 is a checkmate. So black goes to the s file and we give check from a1. If black plays rook to b7, queen h8 is a checkmate. So black is forced to play king to b8 and we complete the triangulation process with move queen to a5. What has happened here is we just got the same position passing the turn to the opponent. It is also known as zugzwang. Zugzwang is a chess term that describes when a player is forced to make a move that worsens their position. The German word Zugzwang translates to compulsion to move. Now any moves black plays are bad. Let's explore all of them. Thank you for watching till the end. Click the videos on your left or right to be a chess master and hit that subscribe button to improve your chess ratings.